It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 367th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today, we're going to celebrate two things. Number one, it's my birthday. I am 29 today. And number two, recently we have reached 18,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you again, my friends, for watching and tuning in. I am so grateful. Now we're on to 19,000. Well, today's recipe in honor of my birthday, instead of having a cake, we're gonna make a cheesecake, a no-bake cake batter cheesecake. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and we're gonna top it with some sprinkles. And this cheesecake would be fun to make with your kids. And the best part about this dessert, no oven required. It'd be great for any birthday. And if you're looking for a nice change to having a traditional birthday cake, y'all gonna love this cheesecake. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other birthday cheese recipes, from cupcakes to funfetti cake to funfetti pancake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cream cheese, your cake mix, and your sprinkled sugar, because we're about to make some no-bake cake batter cheesecake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my bowl, I have 2.5 cups of crushed golden Oreos, just like this. And we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. We're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well combined, until it resembles wet sand. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the crust. Now we're ready to pour it into the springform pan. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch springform pan that I greased with cooking spray. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to flatten it all over. And using a measuring cup, we're just going to flatten the size, like so. Alright, so now we're going to put the crust into the freezer, and we're going to let it chill for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, we can get started on our cheesecake filling. In my bowl, I have 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese and 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread that I let come to room temperature. And into our cream cheese, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're fluffy, on medium-low speed. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1/2 cup of funfetti cake mix and blend this in. And now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. Mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our cheesecake batter is almost done. And it smells incredible. Alright, for the last 2 ingredients, we're going to fold in 3 cups of fresh whipped cream. I'll post a link to my fresh whipped cream recipe down below in the description box. And now we're going to fold in 3 tablespoons of rainbow sprinkles or jimmies. All right, my friends, our cheesecake batter is done. Look at the sprinkles in it. So colorful. All right, so now we're ready to pour it into our chilled Oreo crust. All right, my friends, so now we're going to smooth it. We'll have a nice smooth top. All right, that looks great. You can put it in the refrigerator or you can put it in the freezer. For the freezer is 2 to 3 hours. For the refrigerator, we're going to chill it overnight. And I think I'm going to put mine in the refrigerator. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, my friends, I've taken my cheesecake out of the refrigerator. It's nice and firm. So now it's time for the final step. We're just going to add some more rainbow sprinkles right on top. And now I have some leftover Cool Whip. We're just going to pipe it using the 1 ml. Just going to pipe it all around. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping my cheesecake and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. No-bake cake batter cheesecake. Don't that look beautiful and festive? Look at those pretty colors. All right, so now I'm about to cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I'm about to make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
All right, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. It's creamy, full of flavor. This is incredible, my friends. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Please give this recipe a try. Let's throw another bite. I love that cake batter flavor. Yum! Cake batter cheesecake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. And stay safe, my friends. Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
KTSU 90.9 FM jams always. Man, it's a Saturday night. Don't forget about 8 o'clock. If you are celebrating, we're going to be having a line dance jam from about 8 until 8:15. Boom Boom Williams jamming for you on a Saturday night. Hello, KTSU, you're live on the radio. Who is this?
Brittany,
Hey, Brittany, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about you?
Fantastic. What can I help you with today?
Oh, yes, sir. It's my birthday.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Brittany,
Yes, sir.
how old are you?
29.
29. And you're jamming with the Boom Boom. Brittany, what's your last name?
More?
Y'all call and tell Brittany happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Brittany Moore. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now at 8 o'clock, we'll do a line dance. What's your favorite line dance you want to hear?
favorite line dance?
Come on, Brittany.
The Harlem Shuffle.
Harlem Shuffle. Okay, now Brittany. Your name?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna sing happy birthday to you, but I'm gonna need some help, okay?
Yes, sir.
So clap your hands for me one time. Come on. Clap your hands. Come on, Brittany. You got it?
Yes, sir.
It's a birthday. It's a birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday to Brittany. Ain't no party like a Brittany party, cause a Brittany party don't stop. How about that?
Thank you.
That for you, Brittany?
Yes, sir.
Hope we made your day. Of course, happy birthday to Aunt Mammy. Here we go.